Listen to the sound of these bellbirds. And if you would like to see what they look like, check out the last episode. They don't show themselves today, but this beautiful Lewin's Honeyeater is letting us have a good look. And so does this stunning red-colored parrot. It's a male king parrot. Quick, check out this Shining Bronze-Cuckoo. And this cute little Brown Thornbill may well find a baby cuckoo in its nest. You can read all about the Shining Bronze-Cuckoo in my blog this week. I'll put a link in the description. We're walking alongside a pretty creek. Wow! Did you see the color of the eyes of that dragonfly? I just had a big fat leech crawling over my pants. You can imagine, I was in a hurry to get rid of it, so it didn't make it on camera. Have a look at these pretty little red-browed finches. There's a small flock of them feeding on the seeds here. Those bellbirds just won't give up their song today. We're on the other side of the creek now, climbing up, so we're getting some lovely views. And up there is a Sulphur-crested Cockatoo. And where there's one, there's usually more. We can hear them talking to each other. I just love how that sound carries here in the bush. The sun is going down and those cockatoos are gathering to fly to their roosting site for the night. We're losing the light quickly, but don't tune out yet. This is a great time to spot some wildlife. Look at that. It's grazing time for this wallaby. Beautiful. And here, the kangaroos are coming out too. You can find lots of information about the Eastern Grey Kangaroo on my blog. Check out the link in the description. What a great way to finish our walk today. If you enjoyed it, subscribe to my channel for more and let me know in the comments what you enjoyed the most today. I'd love to hear from you and hope to see you again on the next walk.